Hey guys, in today's video, we are unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. It's called a skincare box. So if you are clicking in from the previous video, because there is a part 1, that was the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Stocking, which is more makeup focused. So if you are a returning viewer, then hi, I hope you guys enjoyed the stocking video. And if you have only found this video based off of the title of it being a mystery skincare box, there is another video that is like a part 1 where it focuses on Charlotte Tilbury's makeup, and it was in a very special Christmas themed stocking. It was really cool. I'll have it linked below if you want to go check it out, but this one is more skincare based, and this one is set up a little bit different, and we will have to see if I prefer it this way. So I did speak about this for like a millisecond in the last video, but we'll talk about it right now. Charlotte Tilbury's boxes in the past, some of them has received a little bit of, I would say, pushback. I wouldn't say hate, because I think that's too strong of a word, but there has been customers that's been upset in past boxes for it being a box that was focused on makeup but receiving skincare items, or a box that was saying that it's going to have items that are perfect for all skin types and all skin tones, and then some of the products did not do that. They were a bit too much for a different skin tone, or they just wouldn't work out across the board for everyone. So this box in particular is very interesting. So when I went to go check out, it asked me to pick out my skin tone in a foundation shade as well as a pressed powder. So that is new, that is different, and I really like it because A, I'm guaranteed something that's going to match my skin tone, and B, it was 2 products that I know a lot of people would love to get for this really good discounted price. So when the box arrived, those 2 items, because I had selected my skin tone, they were not packaged inside of this box. I slipped them in, so whenever we unbox this together, it will still be a unboxing experience. But just as a heads up, even though the mystery box said it was going to have those products, because you were having to select skin tone colors and you were having to pick out a powder shade that matched you best, those were floating on their own inside of the box. But other than that, everything else you can see is wrapped up. And like I said, you can see right here, this is the foundation that I just kind of like slid in there on the side so we can unbox it and still have that experience. But I am really happy about this. So it says on the back that this is a 4-piece mystery skincare product box, plus the 2 items I picked out colors for. So it was a 6-piece box in total. This is skincare focused. That's something else that I feel like I may have already said already, but some of her boxes in the past would be makeup boxes, and it'll have like 2 skincare items, and some people have been upset saying you should make boxes only skincare boxes, you should make boxes only makeup boxes. This year in particular, I feel like she did that perfectly, because this is a skincare box. We will see once we open it if it truly is just skincare items. And then in the previous video that I will have linked up below, it was truly all makeup items, and I was happy about that. Let's dive on into it. And what we will start with first is the 2 items I picked out colorways for. Some people might call them makeup items, but I think Charlotte was trying to label it more like, you know, it's for your perfect skin. It's for perfect, beautiful skin. So though it is a foundation and a pressed powder, they are skin related items. So this is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is brand new. She just launched it recently. There are so many shade options. So I have not seen this in person, so I didn't really know what shade to do, but over at her website, she had an area where you can match up to see what would be your shade, and it was guaranteed to be my perfect shade. So we will have to try that out in a moment. In fact, let's go on ahead and open it now just so we can see what it looks like in the tube. That could give us a good idea. But it is a really cool setup. So what you would do is you would pick out what you feel is best, if you want your foundation to be the exact skin tone color, or if you want it to be a little bit lighter, a little bit darker. And after it collected all of that information from you, you then upload a photo, and it analyzes based off of their swatches which would go best. So this is the color that they picked out for me. It looks a little bit dark, but we will have to try it on and see. I am excited to try this though. Like I said, this is for your best healthy everyday skin. So I can't wait to try it out. The next item is a pressed powder. This is the Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish Powder. Her Flawless Finish powders are so good. I have one that I'm probably not going to use this one just yet because I need to finish the one that I have already open, but they are so nice. I will say this is my only complaint with them is they run out quickly. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of how deep the pan is or if it's just the way that the product is whenever it gets onto the brush and you apply it to your skin, but I feel like I run out of the product very fast. Now I went with the really light translucent color, so this is in the shade Translucent Fair. So I think this is going to be really nice as just a good like all over like finishing topper to just lock in your makeup. And since it is translucent, it's not going to come off as white. It will just blend everything in and make sure that there's no like shiny spots or anything like that on your skin. So this is very pretty and the packaging is stunning too. All right, so now let's dive into the skincare part. I have not looked at any of them, but here's what it looks like. And then I have my two other products that are sitting on top. So here is how everything is laid out inside. Eek! I see one of my favorites off the bat. This, you guys, right here, the Goddess Skin Cleanser. It is so nice. And I know this said this was a 4-piece skincare box plus these two products. In here is two. So I feel like you're getting a lot more. Like, I love this. This is so exciting. And you get the little muslin cloth. How nice. I've used this before. I'm a big fan of this. It is a 2-step cleanser. So this is step 1 and then you do step 2. You can use them separately and just have 2 separate cleansers. This one does have charcoal in it. And this one has it's such a lemony type scent to it. So you could use them separately if you needed to. But to get the best results and to get like Charlotte's results, you need to do step 1 and then step 2. But I love this cleanser. So far we are winning with this box. Let's grab this up, and this is a brand new item. This is very new. This is pretty much off the shelf, brand new from her skincare line. This is the hydrating mist. Whenever I seen this the first time it came out, I immediately thought Tatcha, because Tatcha has an amazing hydrating mist. You can use it on its own. You can use it as a makeup setting mist. You could just use it as a refresher. And this is just like that, but it's Charlotte's version. So it does everything just like the Tatcha one. It helps with giving your skin hydration and giving it a glowy look, giving it more radiance, smoother, younger looking skin. It also helps with pollution. And then up here at the top, it says Digital Fatigue Skin Rescue. I don't really know what that means, but I like it. I'm excited. It is more or less just a essence in a mist form. And I have not purchased this yet, but it's in this box. So I'm very happy. It's a full size, of course. All of these items are full sizes. So I am thrilled to try this out. It's brand new, and yeah, it's coming with me to North Carolina when I go visit my family at Christmas because I will need it. Good hydration. Now let's grab up something else I've never tried before. This is her collagen facial oil. I have seen this on her website. I just have never grabbed it up. It's a bit on the pricier end, but this is a full size of it. It is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. I just want to open this to see how big the bottle is because this is something that I've never seen in person. And oh my goodness, that is a good size. That is a very good size. It's in a glass bottle, just like her other products. And I can't wait to use it. I think it's very pretty too inside there. It's very nice, full size facial oil. So a full-size tub of the Magic Eye Rescue, which is another one of our products that's a bit on the pricier end. And for it to be a full size, this is the 15 milliliter, 0.5 fluid ounce. It is a nice, good size tub of eye cream. And this is gonna help brighten, reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's refillable. This is just everything that I've ever wanted in a skincare box. No magic cream. She normally puts a tub of magic cream in, so I'm excited to see this one. I was worried this was gonna be magic cream because it has the same design on the top, but let's just open this up. Wow, this is a stunning packaging. It's glass, and this is the eye cream. So eye creams typically there's not a lot of product because it's just one little area that you're doing. So 0.5 fluid ounces is more than enough. I'm not complaining on that at all. And here is what it looks like on the inside of it, and it is a refillable pot, so you easily just pop it out and replace it, and then you don't have to buy the whole component again. You save a little bit of money and you help the planet. So that is my 4 skincare items: Eye Rescue, collagen oil, essence, and then the 2-step cleansers. Great, great, great. But there's something else in the box, and this is what happened with the stocking. There was some extra little like mini sizes, and in this one there is a mini size lipstick. So once you have your skincare routine done and you put on your foundation and your pressed powder, if you just want to, you know, give a little bit of color to your lips, you can do that with the Pillow Talk. This is the classic shade, it says. Let me just pop it open to make sure, because that's my favorite shade of lipstick. And it is in the mini bullet. Some people complain about this size. I love this size. So good for traveling. We just recently went to England for 5 days, and I just had one little tube this big of Pillow Talk, and this is all I needed for lips. So I was very happy with it. I think it's such a great size, and it is the classic mauve Pillow Talk color. So I am hands down so happy with this box. I think whoever is in charge of the mystery boxes this round deserves a pat on the back, because first of all, there was no magic cream in a skincare box. They always give you magic cream. You always get free samples of magic cream. I feel like everyone has at least 1 to 3 tubs of magic cream on their vanity already. So I was happy to see some new products like the Eye Rescue, the Hydrating Mist, the Collagen Oil, and the fact that they gave the cleanser set that comes with the muslin cloth, and then the 2 steps. Like I said, you can use these separately, so it feels like you're getting some extra product. Even though it is a 2-step set, it's 2 separate components. I am just blown away. And I love that I was able to pick out colors of some of the items that was included, because that gave me a more of a comforting feeling that I know that this box is going to work for me really well. And these products, all of them are awesome. Some of them are relatively new, and then some of them are ones that I've always wanted to try, but just have never pulled the trigger to try out. And here I am. I get to try them all out. This is awesome. I'm going to have them all linked up below, you guys. They might still be available. So if the mystery box is still available, I will have it also linked below. It'll be the very first one linked after the mystery stocking video. Thank you for watching. And as always, follow my other socials, because we're going to Japan in 2024. I might be taking some of these products when we did Japan, and you guys can see that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.